Planning a trip and wondering if you can bring your saw along? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a woodworker, or a carpenter, we've got the answers. Yes, but only in checked baggage. TSA rules for saws. According to the TSA, saws are only allowed in checked luggage. No matter the type, electric, chainsaw, or hand saw, they can't be brought on board as carry-on, because, well, it's pretty obvious why. Remember, larger saws take up more space in your checked bag, so make sure to check your airline's luggage rules and weight limits. You don't want to get hit with extra fees at the airport. Other tools and accessories. If you're packing other tools with blades longer than 7 inches, like screwdrivers or wrenches, they need to go in checked luggage too. Keep sharp items away from your carry-on, or they'll get confiscated. Can you bring a saw in a carry-on? No, you cannot bring a saw in a carry-on. Saws, including power saws and saw blades, are considered dangerous items and must be packed in checked luggage. Can you bring a power saw on a plane? Power saws are allowed, but only in checked luggage. Make sure all fuel or engine-powered tools are emptied of any fuel residue before packing. Can you bring a saw blade on a plane? Yes, but only in checked baggage. Saw blades are sharp objects, and the TSA won't allow them in your carry-on for safety reasons. Can you bring a metal ruler on a plane? Good news, you can bring a metal ruler in your carry-on. Unlike saws and sharp tools, metal rulers don't pose a threat and are TSA-approved. Packing tips for saws. Packing a saw can be tricky, especially if it's large. Use a sturdy suitcase, lock it, and make sure to cushion the saw and accessories with soft materials like clothes or bubble wrap to avoid damage. Want to skip the hassle altogether? Consider shipping your saw with a reliable carrier like Freight Center. It'll save you time and ensure your saw arrives safely at your destination. So, can you bring a saw on a plane? Yes, but only in checked luggage. Larger saws might need extra care, so always double-check with your airline and pack smart. Got more travel tool questions? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips from Travel Closely.